Good morning, dear students. Previous class we discussed valence shell electron pair repulsion theory and some of the postulates, important main postulates of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, and we also discussed the geometry as well as shape of the molecule containing lone pair as well as bond pair of electrons. Then today's discussion is illustration of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory with an example. Illustration of VS EPR theory. Illustration of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory with an example. First, the molecules, we will consider the molecules containing only bond pair electrons. ಬರೀ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬೋತ್ ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ molecules containing only bond pair electrons. And second one is molecules contains or containing both bond pairs and lone pair electrons around the central atom. First, let us consider, in previous class we discussed AB2 type, AB3 type, AB2L, AB4, AB3L, AB2L2, AB5, like this. There are 14 different types of molecules are discussed and their molecular geometry as well as shape. Then today we will discuss or illustrate the valence shell electron pair repulsion theory of molecules containing only bond pairs and both lone pair as well as bond pairs. First example is AB2 type molecule. Illustration of AB2 type of molecule based on valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. In that example is BeCl2. Beryllium chloride contains only 2 bond pairs and this beryllium chloride is, the central beryllium is sp hybrid state and each sp hybrid state of orbitals on beryllium are directed or localized as far as away, because there is a minimum repulsion between hybrid orbitals and these hybrid orbitals are oriented at an angle of 180 degree and this molecule containing only 2 bond pairs and these are at an angle of 180 degree and a linear molecule. Hybridization dalli navella enpa antandre nodi these two hybrid orbitals of beryllium are directed at an angle of 180 degree and it is a linear. Then based on valence electron pair repulsion theory, the illustration of beryllium chloride is hybridization of beryllium central atom is sp, geometry of the central atom beryllium is linear, then shape of the beryllium chloride is also linear, because if the central atom is only surrounded by the bond pair electrons, geometry as well as the shape of the molecule is similar, and bond angle is -180 degree bond angle. This is the illustration of Ab2 type, that is beryllium chloride, based on valencyl electron pair repulsion theory. Valencyl electron pair repulsion theory we already discussed the hybridization of beryllium chloride. It is an sp hybridized state of central beryllium and it is a linear geometry as well as shape is same, because there is no lone pairs. Only bond pair is surrounded by the central atom. The geometry as well as the shape of the molecule is similar, and next is bond angle 180 degree. Then second type is Ab3 type molecule. Ab3 type molecule example is boron trichloride or boron trifluoride. The central beryllium is surrounded by only bond pair electrons, and these bond pair electrons are directed to the three corners of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle the ಮೂರು ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. And structure of this is boron. The central boron is surrounded by only 3 bond pair electrons, and these are directed towards the each corner of equilateral triangle, and bond angle is 120 degree. Hybrid state of boron is sp2. Hybridization is sp2. Then sp2 hybrid state having geometry trigonal, planar, then shape is also shape similar because there is no lone pair of electrons. This is also trigonal, planar, then bond angle is 120 degree. This is the illustration of Ab3 type of molecule containing only bond pair electrons based on the valence electron pair repulsion theory. Then in the molecule containing both lone pair as well as bond pair electrons, the third type is Ab2L type molecule. Ab2, A is the central atom, B is nothing but bond pair electrons, and L is nothing but lone pair electrons. In this example is sulfur dioxide, SnCl2, these are the examples. And the central, in case of sulfur dioxide, the central sulfur is surrounded by two bond pairs and one lone pair. Two bond pairs and one lone pair. And the structure of this is this is the structure of sulfur dioxide. It contains one lone pair and this lone pair is acting one of the corner of equilateral triangle, and hybridization of this is, hybridization of sulfur is sp2. Here geometry as well as shape are different. Geometry is trigonal planar, then shape of the molecule is bent or V shape, bent or V shape, and bond angle is reduces. The trigonal planar bond angle sp2 hybrid state of central atom surrounded by two bond pairs and one lone pair, and bond angle is reduces from 120 degree to 119 degree. The bond angle is 119 degree. This is because the lone pair bond pair repulsion is more than the bond pair repulsion. Bond angle is 119 degree. And as we already discussed in the postulates, the shape of the molecule or geometry of the molecule in multiple bonds can be predicted by subtracting the number of electron pairs in pi bonds from the number of electron pairs of the valence shell of its central atom. Central atom the valence shell electrons ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ ಟೋಟಲ್ valence shell electrons ದೊಳಗೆ pi bonds ಅನ್ನ subtract ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ pi bonds ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is the trigonal planar geometry. Trigonal planar geometry, but shape is bent or V shape. Then this is the third. Then fourth one is fourth type of molecule, that is AB4 type of molecule. Example is methane, CH4. In this, the molecule, the CH4 molecule containing central atom is carbon, and which is surrounded by only bond pair electrons, and these four bond pair electrons are directed towards the four corners of regular tetrahedron, and its geometry is tetrahedral, shape is also tetrahedral, and bond angle is 109 degree 28 minutes, and hybrid state of central carbon is sp3. Bond angle is 109 degree 28 minutes. Hybridization is sp3. Geometry is tetrahedral. Shape is tetrahedral. Bond angle is 109 degree 28 minutes, and the tetrahedral shape is like this. This is the tetrahedral shape of methane molecule. Then next is very important. There are two examples are sp3 hybrid state of methane as well as a water molecule. These are very important, and in your examination frequently asked the explain the formation of ammonia molecule based on VACPR theory, or explain the formation of water molecule based on the VACPR theory. These are the two very important examples. Here is fourth one, this is fifth one, this is very important. AB3L type of molecule. AB3L type of molecule example is ammonia, NH3. This is an example for AB3L type, which contain 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. And here the ground state electronic configuration of nitrogen. The atomic number of nitrogen is 7 and the valence shell ground state electronic configuration is (2s2). (2p3), 2px, 2py and 2pz. This is the ground state electronic configuration of nitrogen, central nitrogen, and in its ground state it forms sp3 hybrid state of central nitrogen. Ground state only. The central nitrogen in ammonia molecule forms 4 equal energies and identical shapes of sp3 hybrid orbitals, which including 1 lone pair and 3 unpaired electrons. In their ground state, nitrogen forms sp3 hybrid orbitals. These sp3 hybrid orbitals of nitrogen contains 1 lone pair and 3 unpaired hybrid orbitals, and these 3 unpaired hybrid orbitals are direct overlapping with unpaired 1s atomic orbital of 3 hydrogen atoms to form 3 NH sigma bonds and 1 lone pair on the nitrogen atom. Here this is the sp3 hybrid state of nitrogen atom, which contain 1 lone pair and 3 unpaired electrons, and these unpaired electrons are overlap with 3. This is the sp3 hybrid orbital of nitrogen atom, and this is the s orbital of hydrogen atom. These unpaired 3 sp3 hybrid orbitals are direct overlapping with unpaired atomic orbital of 3 hydrogen atom to form NH3 3 sigma bonds. Which contains lone pair this is S sp3. This is also sp3 hybrid state of lone pair sp3. Yes, this is the ammonia molecule and this is also represented like this. And in this molecule, hybridization of nitrogen is sp3. Geometry of the molecule is sp3 hybrid state of central atom having geometry tetrahedral. Geometry can be predicted by considering lone pair as well as bond pair electrons, but the shape of the molecule can be predicted by excluding lone pair of electron. Then the shape of the molecule is pyramidal. Bond angle is, the normal tetrahedral bond angle is 109 degree 28 minutes, but due to the presence of lone pair on nitrogen, according to valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, the lone pair bond pair repulsion is more than that of bond pair repulsion. ಇವೆರಡರ ನಡುವೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಪಲ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ. Due to lone pair bond pair repulsion, the bond angle is reduces to 107 degree. 109 degree 28 minutes ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it reduces to 107 degree. That is because of lone pair present on the nitrogen atom, and due to lone pair bond pair repulsion is greater than that of bond pair. That's why the bond angle reduces from 109 degree 28 minutes to 107 degree. Bond angle is 107 degree. Here the shape of the molecule pyramidal is represented like this simply. This is the shape, this is the geometry. It includes the lone pair of electron, and shape it excludes the lone pair of electron, that is pyramidal shape. This is a very important, and in your examination frequently asked this question, that is explain the formation of ammonia molecule based on valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ರಿಪಲ್ಷನ್, ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಯಾಕೆ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರ್ repulsion is more than that of bond pair repulsion. Therefore, the bond angle reduces to 107 degree. This is the reason, because of lone pair bond pair repulsion is more than that of bond pair repulsion. Then another example is Ab2L2 type of molecule. Ab2L2 type of molecule means this is a Ab3L type of molecule, and example is ammonia. Ab2L2 type of molecule containing 2 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs, and the example for Ab2L2 type of molecule is water, H2O. Next example, that is also very, very important. Ab2, L2 type of molecule, and example is water. Example in explain the formation of water molecule on the basis of VSEPR theory. VSEPR theory ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? Because which contain lone pair of electron along with bond pairs, and the atomic number of oxygen is 8 and its ground state electronic configuration is of oxygen is 2s2, 2p4, 2px, 2py, 2pz, this is 2s. In oxygen molecule, the central oxygen atom containing total 6 valence electrons, and these in their ground state the water molecule forms sp3 hybrid state of central oxygen. The central oxygen atom having sp3 hybrid state which contain 2 lone pairs and 2 bond pairs. This forms sp3 hybrid state in their ground state. Ground state ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ sp3 hybrid state ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ formation ಆಗ್ತದೆ. This sp3 hybrid state of central oxygen containing 2 lone pairs and 2 bond pairs, sp3 hybrid orbitals. These sp3 hybrid orbitals on oxygen atom contains 2 lone pairs and 2 bond pairs, and 2 unpaired hybrid orbitals are direct overlapping with unpaired 1s atomic orbital of 2 hydrogen atom. This hybrid orbital containing sp3 hybrid orbital of oxygen contains 2 lone pairs and 2 unpaired hybrid orbitals. These unpaired hybrid orbitals are direct overlapping with unpaired 1s atomic orbital of 2 hydrogen atoms to form oxygen hydrogen 2 sigma bonds. This is the s orbital of hydrogen atom. These are the sp3 hybrid orbitals of oxygen atom which contain 2 lone pairs and 2 unpaired hybrid orbitals, and these unpaired hybrid orbitals are direct overlapping with unpaired 1s atomic orbital of 2 hydrogen atoms forming two sigma bonds are formed, and these are the 2 lone pairs on central oxygen atom. This is s, sp3, sp3. These are also sp3 hybrid orbitals of lone pairs, and this is also represented like this. And the bond angle is reduces to 104.5 degree. Because there are 2 lone pairs on the central atom, the bond angle is reduces to 109 degree 28 minutes to 104 degree 5 minutes. Hybridization of central oxygen is sp3. sp3 hybrid state of central oxygen, its geometry is tetrahedral. Tetrahedral geometry, but the shape is differ than the geometry because which contain lone pair of electron, and due to lone pair repulsion, and while predicting the shape of the molecule, the lone pair of electrons are excluded and the shape is bent or angular or V shape. Then bond angle is 104.5 degree. This is because the bond angle reduces to due to lone pair repulsion is greater than lone pair, bond pair is greater than bond pair. In water molecule, all these repulsions are possible because two lone pairs and two bond pairs. Between lone pair repulsion is also possible, and between lone pair bond pair repulsion is also possible. Here also repulsion, here also repulsion. Due to lone pair repulsion is greater than lone pair bond pair, and lone pair bond pair repulsion is greater than bond pair, that's why the bond angle is reduces to 104.5 degree, and the shape of the molecule, water molecule is this, which contain two lone pairs and bond angle is 104.5 degree. This is the geometry of the molecule is represented by including the lone pair of electron, and shape of the molecule is by excluding the lone pair of electron, that is bent or angular or V shape. These two examples, ammonia and water, these are the very important examples based on valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. These the central oxygen atom in water as well as central nitrogen atom in ammonia forms sp3 hybrid orbitals in their ground state only. Remaining ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಿದ್ದು hybridization ದೊಳಗ excited state ದೊಳಗ hybrid orbitals formation ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. But in these two examples, in their ground state only, the hybrid orbitals are formed, and the hybrid orbitals containing lone pair as well as unpaired hybrid orbitals, and these unpaired hybrid orbitals are overlapping with 1s atomic orbital of hydrogen to form oxygen hydrogen sigma bond as well as nitrogen hydrogen sigma bonds. These are the very important examples. Next is sixth one. Next is seventh example is AB5 type of molecule. AB5 type of molecule, example is PCl5. This was already discussed in the hybridization. The shape of the molecule is Cl. This is the PCl5 molecule. There are two types of bonds in PCl5. One is, this is the equatorial bonds, and these two are the axial bonds, and the equatorial bond angle is 120 degree. This is a trigonal plane, and the axial bond angle is 90 degree to the plane, and the geometry of the hybridization of this molecule is sp3 dihybrid state of central phosphorus, because which contain only bond pair of electrons, and all the bond pair of electrons are surrounded by the central atom, and the geometry is or shape as well as geometry of the molecule is regular. Geometry is trigonal bipyramidal. Then shape is also same, because there is no lone pair of electrons. Bond angles are, there are two bond angles, equatorial 120 degree, axial 90 degree. This is a, here only bond pair repulsions are present, and the geometry as well as shape of the molecule is regular, because there is no lone pair of electrons. Next example is Ab4L type of molecule. Next, 8th one is Ab4L type molecule. Ab4L type molecule which contain 4 bond pairs and 1 lone pair, and example for this is SF4 molecule. Sulfur tetrafluoride is an example for this molecule, and the structure of this is F which contain 1 lone pair, and due to lone pair bond pair repulsion, the bond angle is reduces to, this bond angle is 120 degree and it becomes 102 degree, and this bond angle is reduces to 173 degree, because of the axial fluorine are in the regular geometry 180 degree to each other, and due to the presence of 1 lone pair on the central sulfur, the bond angles are reduced, and the axial bond angle 180 degree is reduces to 173 degree, and equatorial bond angle, that is 120 degree, is reduces to 102 degree, because of lone pair bond pair repulsion is more than that of the bond pair repulsion. Then hybridization of central atom is sp3 dehybridization. Geometry is trigonal bipyramidal. Then shape is, this is seesaw structure. Seesaw shape, bond angles 102 degree and 173 degree. The seesaw structure is represented F. This is the seesaw structure. like this. This is the seesaw structure of SF4, seesaw structure like this. One lone pair here, and while predicting the shape of the molecule, we exclude the lone pair of electron and only the bond pair of electrons are considered in the shape of the molecule, and while predicting the geometry, both lone pair as well as bond pairs are considered. This is another example. Then next example is AB3L2 type of molecule. AB3L2 type of molecule containing AB3L2 type of molecules containing 3 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs. Next is ninth one, AB3L2 type. Example is ClF3. ClF3 is an example for AB3L2 type, 3 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs, and the structure of this is Cl, Cl, Cl. There are 2 lone pairs in the equatorial position and the bond angle is reduces to 175 degree. Because of lone pair repulsion, the axial chlorine these are the fluorine. Axial fluorine bond angle is 180 degree under normal condition, but due to the presence of lone pairs on the central chlorine, the bond angle is reduces to 175 degree because of lone pair repulsion is greater. Hybridization of central atom is sp3d. Geometry is trigonal, bipyramidal. Shape is, this is like a T shape, and bond angle is 175 degree. This is axial FClF bond. Axial FClF bond angle is 175 due to the presence of 2 lone pairs. Lone pair repulsion is greater than lone pair bond pair, then bond pair. Then 10th example is AB2L3 type of molecule. This is the AB3L2 type. Next one is AB2L3 type. AB2L3 type means AB2 means 2 bond pairs and L3 means 3 lone pair of electrons are present on the central atom, and the hybrid state of the central atom is same because sp3d. The hybridization of central atom is same. Next one is 10th one, AB2L3 type of molecule. Example is XeF2. XeF2 is an example. Central xenon which is axially bonded to fluorine atoms and 3 lone pair of electrons are present in the axial position and its bond angle is 180 degree. Because the axial position containing fluorine atoms These are far away from each other, and the lone pair as well as lone pair bond pair repulsion is minimum, and the hybrid state of the central xenon is sp3d, the geometry is trigonal bipyramidal, and the shape is linear. Bond angle is 180 degree, because all the equatorial positions of sp3d hybrid orbitals occupied by only lone pair of electron. Plane ದೊಳಗೆ lone pair of electron ಇರ್ತಾವ. Plane the above and below ಏನಿರ್ತಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ fluorine atoms are directly overlapped with the sp3d hybrid orbital of xenon, and the repulsion is minimum. These are far away from the lone pair of electron. ಅದರಿಂದ ದೂರ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾವ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ repulsion is minimum, bond angle is 180 degree. Then another type of hybridization, that is the molecule which contain only lone pair of bond pair electrons, only bond pair electrons. Eleventh one is AB6 type of molecule. Example is we already discussed SF6 and the this is the structure of SF6, and geometry is regular because all the sp3d2 hybrid orbitals are only bond pair electrons, and regular geometry hybridization is sp3d2 hybridization. Geometry is octahedral. Shape is also same because all the sp3d2 hybrid orbitals are only bond pair electrons, and bond angle is 90 degree. This is the SF6, that is AB6 type of molecule. Next is another example, the AB6 type of molecules, one of the bond pair is replaced by lone pair. The 12th example is AB5L type of molecule. Example for this is ClF5. Here AB5L type of molecule containing 5 bond pairs and 1 lone pair, and one of the lone pair is occupied in the axial position, and the shape of the molecule as well as geometry of the molecules are different. Shape of the molecule is square pyramidal and geometry is octahedral. The central Cl is surrounded by 4 fluorine atoms in the square planar and 1 lone pair in the axial position. This is the sp3d2 hybrid state, and the geometry is octahedral. Shape is square pyramidal. Like this, and the bond angle reduces to 81.9 degree because of lone pair, 81.9 degree, and the square pyramidal is Cl like this, excluding the lone pair of electron. This is the square pyramidal shape of ClF5, which contain one lone pair, and while predicting the geometry, including the lone pair of electron, while predicting the shape, excluding the lone pair of electron, that is a square pyramidal shape and octahedral geometry, sp3d2 hybridization of central chlorine, and bond angle is 81.9 degree due to the presence of lone pair. Bond pair repulsion is greater than bond pair repulsion. Another example is (13th) AB4L2 type of molecule. Example is XeF4, xenon tetrafluoride, which contain two lone pair of electrons, and these two lone pair of electrons are occupied in the axial position, and equatorial position are only bond pair electrons, and the central xenon having hybrid state sp3d2 and geometry is octahedral and shape is square planar. Square planar. Bond angle is 90 degree and the square planar geometry is represented like this. F, 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 F. This is the square planar geometry. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಶೇಪ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಆವಾಗ ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟುಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಬೋತ್ ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡೆಡ್, ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಪ್ರೆಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಇಸ್ accurate. Geometry and shape both are same, only the molecules containing only bond pair of electrons. Bond pair electrons ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎರಡು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಯಲ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಪೇರ್ ರಿಪಲ್ಷನ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ರಿಪಲ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ more, and that's why the bond angles are also decreases. Then last type of molecule is fourteenth one, AB7 type of molecule. Example is IF7. This is also discussed in the hybridization. F, 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 F. This is the sp3. This is the pentagonal plane, and to this pentagonal plane there are two fluorine atoms in the axial position above and below the pentagonal plane, and this is the sp3d3 hybridization, and geometry as well as shape both are same, that is pentagonal bipyramidal. This is also same, and bond angles are 72 degree and 90 degree. This is 90 degree and this is 72 degree. These are the some examples illustrated based on valence electron pair repulsion theory. The molecules containing only bond pair electrons and the molecules containing both lone pair as well as bond pair electrons. Both lone pair bond pair electrons are irregular geometry and bond angles are reduces to normal geometry. Geometry and shape both are different in the molecules containing bond pair as well as lone pair. but the molecules containing only lone pair, bond pairs, the geometry as well as shape both are same, and it has a regular geometry. Okay, this completes the valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Next class we will discuss another type of bonding, that is covalent chemical bonding, coordinate bond or dative bond. Okay, thank you.